Hey there YouTube, this is Greg ME 2005 and today we're going to put this Poulan Pro to the test. I've already been doing some work with it, cutting down this tree. So let's get moving. Yeah, this thing will jump if you're not on the clutch just right. Got a lot of pull power. You can see that re-engineered septic field on the slope I was talking about in my review on the Poulan Pro PP175G42. You can see that slope now. We're going to go up that slope and come back down. It's hauling just fine up that slope. There's probably about 150 pounds back here. We're going to get it a lot heavier than this. But it's just a little sample run. We're going to go back down that slope to see how this bad boy handles it. I ended up taking out that big stump thing for that bush, so my garden's going to go over here. So you can see that. There's a nice slope down here. We got to turn over here by the garbage cans and put this lumber away. Oh yeah, this bad boy handles good. I didn't push it down far enough. There you go, YouTube. A little bit of action going on with the Poulan Pro. A little bit of lumber back here. Like I said, they're probably about 100, 150 pounds worth. The cart's probably about 100 pounds as well. That's about 250 pounds here. We're going to take that tree down, so this thing's going to probably get loaded 400, 500, 600 pounds. So I'll let everybody know. I'll get the film on that one. So this is just a little bit of hauling with the Poulan Pro. So remember, this is Greg ME 2005. Subscribe. See you guys later. Signing off.